Volleyball Central for the second game of our Wednesday double dip. In this live and exclusive coverage of the UAP Season 77 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Day 3 of the tournament so far. It has been action-packed during the weekend, and now we get to the second game. And after De La Salle made short work of National University earlier in our first game, the second game will feature the opening day winners and defending champions.
Sarap? 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 Hindi? Diyan ka na. Bakit? Anong kinukuha mo dyan? Sit down na lang dyan. Bakit? Oh. Madilim. Hi! Bakit ka na pakita? Sarap, sarap. Pahingi si Mami. Ubos na? Oh, mayroon pa. Ubos mo na, ubos. Sit down ka doon. Huwag na dito kay Mami.
Alright. Well, let's talk about that Ateneo game. You mentioned it earlier. Ateneo, during the opening day...
Dito na. Saan pupunta?
So that you get a better idea of what we're talking about here. I did say
Halik ka dito. Wala si tita. Oo. Lapit na.
captured their second victory after their victory over National University earlier.
That's right. That Adamson also, of course, wanting to have that first win. But Ateneo, di ba, as you said, in the...
Ang unang laban.
Solid team, maybe if somebody is saying better than last year.
It's hard to tell even after one game, but it was
Sino bang champion last?
over Adamson National University. Let's look at this first. Ito yung nangyari muna sa DLSU at Adamson University.
Tinitingnan yung ginagawa ko.
Had the pleasure of covering.
And it was a nice one.
Wala
It was
na.
a long corner center for DLSU and Adamson.
Meron pa,
Adamson
ubos.
just not giving it away. Adamson winning the second set. Adamson really showed a lot of spunk. They really showed that they're at the
Punas ang bibig.
Right.